Hopper spreaders minimize trips back and forth to the salt yard, but the salt can harden if it gets wet. The SnowEx hopper lid kit keeps the snow off the salt and keeps you in the field. The driver's side and passenger side hopper lids are identical, so it doesn't matter which one you grab first. Also, be sure to apply anti-seize lubricant to the stainless steel fasteners to prevent them from binding during installation. Install the lid hinges to each panel using 3/8 inch by 1 inch cap screws and 3/8 inch washers, and the 3/8 inch lock nuts as shown. Hand tighten the fasteners. Then attach the hopper hinge to each lid hinge using 1/2 inch by 4.5 inch cap screws and a 1/2 inch lock nut as shown. Drill 3/8 inch holes at the marked locations on matching ends of the two outer panels. Align the outer panels and secure them together using 3 3/8 inch by 1 inch cap screws and 6 3/8 inch flat washers and 3 3/8 inch lock nuts in the drilled holes as shown. Be sure to hand tighten the fasteners. Position an outer lid overlap, the one with the 3 holes, against one of the assembled lids. Using the existing holes in the lid overlap as a guide, drill 3 3/8 inch holes through the lid panel. Install the overlap to the panel using 3 3/8 inch by 1 inch cap screws and 3 3/8 inch flat washers and 3/8 inch lock nuts. The lower half of each hinge should be resting against the outside of the hopper. Use the knockout holes in the hopper as a guide. Then knock out the knockout holes using a hammer and a punch. Attach each hinge to the hopper using 2 3/8 inch by 1 inch cap screws, the 3/8 inch flat washers, and 3/8 inch lock nuts. The fasteners should be tightened to 30 foot-pounds. You will need a second set of hands for the 2 center hinges. Once the nuts and bolts for the hinges are tightened, you can replace the top screen. The lid handles may be installed at either end of the hopper. Using the molded in drill points in the outer lid panels as a guide, drill 2 1/4 inch holes through the outer lid panel. Install each handle using 2 1/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch cap screws, 4 1/4 inch flat washers, 2 3/8 inch flat washers, and 2 1/4 inch lock nuts. On the lid with the lid overlap strips installed, choose the preferred mounting location for the tie-down strap. Pass one end of the strap under the lid overlap. Attach the tie-down strap to the hopper lid using 1/4 inch by 2 inch cap screws and 2 1/4 inch flat washers and a 1/4 inch lock nut in the existing holes in the hopper lid. Install the strap clip to the free end of the tie-down strap using a 1/4 inch by 1.5 inch cap screw and lock nut. To secure the closed hopper lids, hook the strap clip over the outer edge of the opposite lid. And that completes the installation of the hopper lid kit. Here are some pictures that show you what the lid kit will look like once it's installed. Thank you for watching.